some of my favorite makeup products. First, I'm using the Smashbox Primerizer. Next there, I'm holding up the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and that's the Peach Corrector. Next, I'll be using another LA Girl Concealer, and this one is in Toffee. I'll just dab it on my face and then blend it all out with my original Beauty Blender. I like the original Beauty Blender because it just works best for blending out makeup. Next, I have my Estee Lauder foundation in Sandelwood, and I'll just be putting a little bit on the back of my hand and then using my Beauty Blender once again to blend that all out. Okay, and then I'll be taking that Hourglass foundation stick and just highlighting with it. That is in Almond. It has some really nice yellow tones in there. That's key to having a good makeup application, is figuring out your skin tone, like your skin's undertones. I have a lot of yellow undertones, so makeup with more yellow in it looks better on me. Next, I'm using the Pro Longwear concealer from MAC, another one of my all-time favorites. It lasts all day on me anyways. I feel like it doesn't make me look too cakey. I have super dry skin, and it just, I don't know, it just works for me. Now I'm using a BH Cosmetics blending brush and just contouring the shape of my nose and using some, and then here I'm using some Benai setting powder to just kind of do a reverse contour around my nose. You never want to use a color that's too dark when you're working with nose contour. I didn't hold it up, but I know I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder contour to contour my nose, and now I'm using her cream contour kit to contour the sides of my face, my nose, and under my lip. So yeah. Yep. And as I always say, it just works best to do that reverse contour technique around the nose. And you know, just because we're melanin blessed and we need to use darker pigments and get more of a bold look for things to show up, it doesn't mean you need to use something that's too dark for you. I don't like seeing people using things that's too dark for them. It just makes them look dirty, you know. Now I'm taking another BH Cosmetics powder brush and just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder contour kit again to just kind of use the powder contour to set what I've already done, and then I use some of the blush. Now I'm holding up my favorite Kylie Jenner Lip Kit in Mary Jo K. First I'm using the lip liner, and then I'll be plopping some of that beautiful red cherry lip gloss onto my lips. Okay, and I'm holding up Birthday Cake. That's what I'm putting on my eyelids right now. Just gonna blend that all over and use that as my base shade. And then I am using some of the Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. I'm sure everybody knows about the Modern Renaissance palette, so I guess I did forget to hold it up again, but everybody knows about that. Okay, and now I'm using from the Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette. This is called Duke. It's a really pretty, kind of like a pink shimmery color. I wet my brush a little bit. At first, I put it on without wetting the brush, and it just didn't pop as much as I wanted it to. So I sprayed a little bit of, like, I think I used Fix, yeah, I used Fix Plus and sprayed it on my brush, and then wet it and put it on my eyelids to get that really pretty color. Alright, so after we've done that, I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyeliner and my lashes. And here you can see I've already done my eyeliner. I did a little bit of highlighter as well. I messed up a little bit on my eyeliner, but that's okay. I'm just cleaning it up with some concealer. It's very easy to fix. Now I'm using some Fix Plus and just spraying that all over my face to set my makeup for longer wear. I'm gonna go do my hair and put my lashes on. It came out really pretty, but I know that I'm gonna have to redo this probably, or at least some parts of it. Alright, bye guys!